everyone, I'm back with my dad, and today we are going to be discussing insurances. So a common question that we had was, what are the types of insurances that we should be considering when we're young and starting out?
Okay, another great question. So probably I'll just first say, in terms of me answering this question, we deal with the life insurance universe, not the general insurance universe. And general insurance is things like insuring your car and getting a CTP or insuring your home. So we'll stick to the life insurance side of things, which typically covers life insurance, total and permanent disablement insurance, income protection insurance, and trauma insurance. Very briefly, life insurance will pay out if you die or become terminally ill. Total and permanent disablement insurance will pay out a lump sum if you are deemed unlikely to ever return to work again by way of illness or accident. Income protection insurance will replace typically up to 70% of your income in the event you're temporarily unable to work or permanently. And trauma insurance will pay out a one-off lump sum if you suffer certain defined traumatic events such as heart attacks, cancers, strokes, becoming a paraplegic or a quadriplegic, and pretty nasty things like that. I think what I'd like to maybe hone in on is the thing that I think anyone starting out in their first job who's now becoming independent in terms of providing income for their own life and their own existence, I think the first thing they need to protect is that income through income protection insurance. Now, some people may be lucky and may have that type of insurance through their employer, but many won't. So with an income protection insurance policy, you can set a benefit to replace up to 70% of your earnings for a long period of time, like typically out to normal retirement age at age 65, such that if you were temporarily unable to work because you got sick or you had an accident, after you go through what's the waiting period, the insurer will start to replace your monthly income for each and every month that you're unable to work, and they will keep doing so through to you get to that benefit payment period, which we typically set with our clients through to age 65.
So then what would be the next most important insurance after income protection?
Okay, a slightly difficult one to answer because it is really driven by an individual's particular circumstances, but certainly as people settle down, get married, start to have children, buy homes and have debts, I think it's very important to consider life insurance, because this makes sure that if anything happens to you, you've got something to leave behind to your family to make sure that they're okay and they're not saddled with debts that they can't pay without you being around. I think also total and permanent disablement insurance is very important because unfortunately nasty things can happen to you that mean you can't return to work, but haven't been so bad as to kill you. It's not very nice to think about, but these things do happen. So again, particularly when you have debt, total and permanent disability and life cover is a fantastic insurance to put in place to give you the peace of mind that if you die, become terminally ill, or are unable to ever go back to work again, there's a lump sum that can extinguish that debt. And then if you've got income protection insurance in place, if the debt's extinguished, you get the monthly ongoing benefit, assuming you're still alive, to replace the income you've lost from being unable to work.
Okay.